Okay, this is the Atlas USA machine, walking foot machine, parallel. It's a heavy duty machine. Capacity of the bobbin is the big large bobbin, which we're gonna show you as you see over here, the big bobbins. And to thread that bobbin, you're gonna put that bobbin inside, and you have a slot here, go here, and right there, as you see. And you put it inside on the bottom, and we be ready to work. Right now we install the foot, which is a cording foot. So with a cording foot, you can sew sometime in just regular if necessary, which, as you see that, and we're gonna turn to make a box if we want. We go slowly. Okay, so this is a cording foot inside. We're gonna go show you how you make a cording. And this moment we take this out, and I have a material over here with a cording. That's a cording, is a quarter. So we're gonna put underneath, as you see over here, and what he does, he's gonna pull the cording inside. Always when you use the machine, make sure you're gonna have the thread pulled in the back so you don't go inside, and then you install your item, whatever you're sewing. Let's see, we're making a cording over here. As you see on cars, you see that cording foot, you're gonna put it inside. And you see the cording over here. You can do one side like that, and you can do the other side. Now, on a cording foot, you have all different ones. Did you see that over here, the gap? That's right now the left, okay? So now you have a left and right. If you look over here, I will show you all different feet. And this place over here, you have a cording foot, which is a double cording foot. So you can do 1/8, 1/4, left and right. Most of them coming on the right, so you have 1/8, 1/4, 3/16, all sizes. So all you do is, if you're going to use a double, you must use a special foot for it. As you see the foot, it's pointy. So when it goes over here, you can do a double cording foot, which is that, one to the left, one to the right. And depends what size of a cording you want to do. What's going to fit inside. Like this one is going to fit perfectly. So you can do a double cording foot. One over here, and the other one is over here, as you know. And you put your fabric, and it will go inside. Another thing is, we have a foot which you don't have to move the center foot when you use regular sewing. So if you're going to use, an example, as you look over here, this one over here, it's a top stitch foot. And a top stitch foot, you have to use a regular foot as that. And if you want to go to another top stitch foot, you do not move the center, only the back foot. So you use left or right top stitch foot. A top stitch foot means gonna hold your fabric or leather, whatever you want. You see over here, that will go straight, perfect straight. And they have a sizes on each one of them, they have a size. An example, this one over here, it's 1/4 from here to the center of the hole. There will be 1/4 left. And then if we take another one, there will be a 1/4 right. So this one, left and right, if you see. One is in the left, one is the right. And you have all different sizes. So depends, look at our website, atlaslevy.com, and you can see all different feet. Now, if we go right now to a zipper foot. Here's a zipper foot, which you're gonna see, only you remove that set because it's cording foot. And then you're gonna put a regular one and to the center. So you can use a zipper foot left and right, as you see over here, a zipper foot. This one is left, and if you keep the center one and go to the right, and this is another one, a zipper foot right. So you see how skinny it is, and you can go through any zipper inside, left or right, either one. Okay, so always use the center foot, which is normal. It's flat, could be, and sometimes it comes with a feeder. So if you want a smooth job, you will do with flat. If you want something to grab heavy duty stuff, use the one with the feeder, as you see. And then again, you have the flat one. You see over here, it's a regular foot, which is flat. If we put flat to flat, as you see over here, it will be smooth and no damage to the leather. If it's really high quality leathers, you should use that. But if it's some point of using heavy duty, then you use this one over here with the feeder, as you see over here. Okay? Sometimes also the back feeder coming the same thing, the foot with feeders like that. All right, so now we're going to demonstrate another partial of the top stitch foot, the next one. Thank you. Cool. Okay, to install foot and to replace to another zipper foot, top stitch, whatever, we're going to remove that screw over here, as you see. Lift the foot. You release this one, you take it out, and then you come from the back. They have one more screw holding the center foot, because right now we're going to remove that cording foot, because we're not going to use the cording foot. So this is going to come out right now. There you go. And we're going to install right now a foot, a center foot, as you see over here. Okay. And when you put this on, as you see, you have to be, when you tighten it, you put the screws from the back. Okay. What we did right now, we're going to replace the cording foot, as you see over here. That's a cording foot. See the groove over here. That's two different, all different cording foot. 1/8, 1/4, a double cording foot. They have all different sizes too. Okay, so now what we do, we want to use a top stitch. We want to use a regular plain, or we want to use a zipper foot left and right, as you see over here, two of them. So we're going to install a flat one, the flat one with no teeth on the bottom, so it will be smooth sewing. Okay, always this one have teeth. If you make marks, you always can file this down, so it will be very smooth, and particularly zipper foot. The regular foot comes smooth already. Okay, some of them not. All right, so right now we're going to install the center, as you see over here, and then after, you don't have to change the center. Every time you want to do a zipper foot, you want the left or right, only you're going to install the left or right. You see right now, let's see if you installed the left one. Okay, and then you can go to a zipper, which is going to be very, very close to the right side. And if you're going to take this one out, and you're going to put the right side on, so you can go close to the zipper from the left side, as you see this over here. Okay, so that's talking about the zipper. So we're going to install the zipper right now. Okay, you install the zipper, you tight, make sure it's tight. Center stays center in all times, and we're gonna go right now, and if we want to do a zipper, we just want to be very close to the zipper. So here you go, you could see I go to the edge. You can go very, very close to the edge. You can see what you're doing over here. And vice versa, if you're gonna change it and put that foot, so then you can go to the other edge with the zipper. And if you decide to go flat and straight, you're gonna do the back only. That's a regular foot. And here's another one, here's a top stitch foot. You see that? And you do the same thing. Just release that one over here, the back, and put this one on. This is a left, and you have also a right guide, which the guide, when you put it, so it's gonna go exactly like the size, you say 1/4, it will be from the gauge to the center 1/4 in a straight line, just sewing, okay? You will see your stitches straight. Sometimes people do that, and then they take 1/16, so you're gonna have a double stitches. 1/4, 1/16 will be just right here on the edge. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. Any other question you like to know, call us, www.atlaslevy.com.